All right, today we got the Locksmith Maverick for you guys. This is actually the Maverick. They're calling it the Maverick Max. It comes with the screen. It has a separate SKU that doesn't come with the screen and turns this little area into a storage. But everything you guys see here on the table is what you're going to get in your box. Your Allen wrench, right? Your set screws. You get 2 cutters, a tracer. You get your edge cut inserts. These are for your regular edge cut keys. And then you get a special set of inserts, which we're gonna demo today, for your B102 or your B106 keys. And then you're gonna come in a bag like this. And then the rest of your stuff and this special little gold brush. So here's your menu. Just for ease of use here, I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna search the blank. I'm gonna use the top. I'm gonna input my cuts. We're just gonna put in random cuts. And okay. That's how we're gonna insert into the jaw and the key. And it doesn't show you, but all you have to do is run the key up to the second line. So I got it clamped, and then I'm gonna tighten the set screw on top. And this should make sure that it doesn't kick up on us. I'm gonna hit cut. I got the speed set to 25. It's a 2mm cutter. Close my shield. All right, there you have it. No hassle B106 keys on the Locksmith Maverick.